Hello, my name is Debbie Murillo. Today is Monday, May 16th, 2022. This is my LAPU Bio 230 Week 2 video presentation on histology. I'll be talking about different tissues and cells in this presentation. This right here is epithelial tissue. This is a type of tissue that is very membranous, meaning there are different types of membranes involved in it that make it up. It's made up of cells that form different types of surfaces and linings throughout the body. It's commonly located on the surface of organs, such as like the lungs, heart. It's located in blood vessels and glands. Its functions are protection of these entities, absorption, transportation, has special sensory receptors as well. The next slide that I have is a picture of connective tissue. Connective tissue is a type of tissue that provides support to other different types of tissues and organs with its structure. It's made up of cells and extracellular matrix, and you can find this type of tissue in the blood and the walls of large arteries and in bones. Okay, this next slide that I shared is a slide of muscle tissue. So muscle tissue, I'm sure we all know, can contract. You get cramps when you work it out a lot at the gym. So it's a cool type of tissue that has cells in it that give it the ability to contract. And you can find this tissue in the heart, the chambers of the heart, because the heart pumps, right? It's contracting. You can find it in the uterus. Uteruses contract as well, and walls of arteries. Okay, here we have a nerve cell, also called a neuron. You only find this type of cell in the nervous system. And what makes up the nervous system is our brains, the spinal cord, and then peripheral nerves that are, they spread from the spinal column to other parts of our body, like our legs and arms and whatnot. This essentially is a control system of our whole body. So our brain will communicate through these nerve cells to specific parts of our bodies to have a specific reaction. So we can feel things like hot or cold. It can help regulate our breathing, our heart rate, and learning, having memory. So in conclusion to my presentation, I just want to share my thoughts on why I feel like it's important to know how all these different types of tissues and cells work. I believe that it's important to know how they work so we can know how to take care of them, diagnose problems, diseases, and research. Just to use the analogy of having a car. If you own a car, typically it comes with a manual, so you know how to operate it. And I feel like with all of these advances in sciences, we're fortunate to know how the body works at such a deep level. So that way we can provide good research and studies like for different types of diseases and cancers. There have been a lot of advances made in treating these conditions because we have a good understanding of how the cells work. So that would be my explanation of why I feel like it's important that we know all these different types of tissues and cells and how they work, so we know how to function with them, operate them, and take care of them. Thank you.